Pioneer Club, Lamdeng Makha Lekai Progressive Youth Association and Singjamay Yumnam Lekai Mera Paibi also carried out protest demonstrations at their respective localities today. The sit-ins were staged at Lamdeng Makha Lekai, Lamshang Bazaar and Singjamay Yumnam Lekai. Protesters chanted their various slogans and displayed placards demanding to evict illegal Kuki immigrants from the state, to remove Assam Rifles and withdraw Sioux truce with Kuki militants. Widespread protests were held across the state demanding to abrogate Sioux truce with Kuki militants and removal of Assam Rifles from the state. Members of Oinam Apunba Mera Paibilup and Pioneers Education and Sporting Union staged a sit-in at Oinam Market. Taking part in the protest, President Mutum Roma reminded that expiration date of the Sioux Pact with Chin Kuki narco-terrorist groups ends tomorrow. She urged to refrain from extending Sioux truce with Kuki militants.
Central government na su tong nari ba se ngasi na su amoi ba ni na koi matong da amo hamna sang na tawirakan masi tase na ha ba Kuki militant sing je yam na minu si lai ta ba tase na ya kan ta duty masak khang da ba tare tase ang bagi di central government da yam na ki ba ba se makoi ki yem da hanto ka na lai ga da ba ni makoi di tase na du ki wang ma da khapak cha thare minu si lai ka na ni ba ka abu hapok bi ba ma di ni ka abu awa na piba kaya sina makoi matau wajan laire aduna masi central government amadi manipur government na masi molla khambira da asi abani mi asi ta ki su se loksok pina haijari.
Moirang Kampu Sajet Makha Lekai Mera Paibi and Kurai Thangjam Lekai Apunba Nupi Lup also carried out a protest demonstration demanding not to extend Sioux agreement with Kuki militants today. The protest was carried out under the banner of Coordinating Body Kurai at their respective areas. Speaking to media, a protester asserted that scrapping Sioux with the militants will be the only way to curb illegal poppy plantation and end deforestation.
Magi matam loira banina su ase lo sambiro akoi tangdu laitana akoi hanagi punsida akoi hingba do akoi pamjai aduga Kukina akoi maitai sing hatpasi khudakta lepiu haiduna dana si phamjabani.
Sit-in was also organized by Ningthokong Protection Committee at Ningthokong Market today. Taking part in the sit-in, one protester, RK Tombisana, highlighted the atrocities committed by the Kuki militants, stating that many Meitei villages have been set ablaze and several have been killed. She demanded immediate withdrawal of the Sioux agreement with the Kuki militants to prevent further carnage. A public rally was also carried out in and around Ningthokong area demanding to withdraw Sioux truce with Kuki militants. Protesters displayed placards and chanted various slogans at the rally.
Manipur da laiba parja section kaya na lawbo kungba Kuki da thamliba su asi lokok piu su gi marumda Kuki sina lamhel tuhen ba aduga makoi gi ahen ba minuchi yaw da sagi sadal satpa se tawrakpani haidana tayara haija non jaba matamda masi Bharat Sarkar amadi Manipur Sarkar ani sina tana tasina daba unu sina daduna na thaidaga lairakpa mayam ado Kuki da thamliba agreement lainakiba su gi matam loirabani na amukana extension tawba yaroi su asi ngasi kudakta lokok piu su asi amona chanaba yaroi haibagi damakta Manipur gi mafam punamakta phamlakpa gumna Ningthokong gi su ngasi amata oiba wakalonda aikoina darna asi phamjabani.
Manipur NRC, narcotic terrorist